All right, we've got the Infinity RFID reader and the Wiegand module set up, and we've got the Altronics power supply. So eventually we'll take anything that's low voltage that needs to be powered, we'll power it over here. This is set up for 24 volts right now, and this is one of Altronics' new power supplies. I do like how they finally added, and maybe it's been a long time since I've seen this particular model, a window to show that the board is powered on the inside. You can see that we've got the battery backup wires hooked up, and we've got the tamper switch in but not wired, and then 24 volt jumper cable, and of course we're going to put a lock on there. And one of the things as far as this goes that a lot of people are going to say right off the bat is that it looks like crap. The whole point of, from a learning standpoint, is to get it from all the stuff that's behind the wall in front of the wall so we can demystify it. So we're going to have it just like that for the rest of the class. We're going to have a dry contact on the reader that can actually trigger any relay, but we'll also have tags that we can program in to whatever access control system that we have hooked up, and that will validate the credential. We'll have some cool tools like this where we can actually see where our pattern actually is, and as we get further out of the pattern we lose RF, and the more we get into the pattern we gain RF. So that's going to be pretty cool. I'll just put this in here temporarily, and then we'll be able to power, probably get this set up as an access control point. That's a metal door. We'll put a door strike, we'll put a mag lock, we'll put a push bar, we'll put a couple other things into it, and then we can turn them on and off as we need it. So that's pretty exciting. And we'll get the wiring routed, but it will still be on the outside because again we need to demystify what is actually going on in this setup. So we'll start putting access control panels over here, and this will be for figuring the equipment out in the basic and intensive classes. And then as far as routing and mounting, we have a whole nother room that we'll set up specifically for that. And no, I'm not worried about any kind of interference from this. I'm sending probably from the same circuit 120 volts in there, so not worried about any of that good stuff. From the RF standpoint, not worried about it either. We've got tag reads. Now whether we have good tag reads or not, that's when we'll come out and actually use the tester to see if we're getting a Wiegand output that we would expect from card number 22518, facility code 95. So pretty excited about that. So thanks Infinity RFID, thanks Altronics for getting us set up. You're going to power all the rest of the low voltage stuff in here.